Let's start mixing. Let's start mixing. So today we're making the lentils. We're sprouting other lentils, and we are making coconut, aminos, clementine. I don't know. I need to come up with a name that looks more enticing. So what do we have here? I have 3 chicken breasts, organic chicken breasts. We're just gonna chop them in little cubes, not too thin, not too thick, and then we're going to mix them with the clementine that I have. It could be an orange, and then also some coconut aminos and some flour. You can replace the flour with whatever type of flour you want. I'm just gonna use regular flour. However, do not use starches because it's gonna be too gooey and too sticky. Do not throw away the parts of the chicken that you're not gonna use because we're gonna use them to make broth. I like to maximize my time in the kitchen as much as I can. There's no need to be in the kitchen every single day, but also if you plan ahead, you'll be able to eat homemade meals all week long. We're gonna pair this with rice. We can pair it with quinoa. You can pair it with plantain rice. What is that? Yeah, you use plantains, green plantains or yellow plantains, and you shred them like it would be rice. The same thing, the famous cauliflower rice. And I still have to find a way to make that work for me. It's like the zoodles. I don't like them. I don't. Rocking my pajamas again? Yes. Here, we have our chicken. Let's see if we can. In a bowl, we're going to add, here we go, a little bit of flour. I would say anywhere between 2 tablespoons to a 1/4 cup. And then let's move this for a little bit so you guys can see. Coconut aminos, just to mix this, to dissolve this flour. Okay. You might need a little bit more. Do not add salt. This is going to be plenty of salt for the chicken. We're going to mix it. Actually, I should get a whisk. Yeah. I'll put you here. Whoop! Nope. Let's move this. Just gonna whisk this. It's easier if you do it in a bowl and then you add it to the chicken. Then you don't have to fight the flour. There's no lumps. Or if they are, they're way less. Okay, you see, you get this nice thick paste. Okay, here we go. Let's add this beautiful paste. And if you really need to know how much coconut aminos I put, I would say anywhere from a 1/4 cup to a 1/3 cup. Now we're gonna proceed to add our clementine juice. Okay, 1, 2, pack. Okay, let's start mixing. Let's start mixing this guy, and then it's gonna go into the oven. Oh man, today, like I said, today is a very slow day. And this guy is going in the fridge for as long as you can. If you see it looks a little bit too dry, I will add a little bit of coconut aminos. Okay. Make sure that when you cook whatever side you're cooking for this dish, do not add salt. We don't want all the salt. Another thing that is really cool about the coconut aminos, it has less sodium than soy sauce. So you guys want it not a batter, but also you don't want a juice. You want something between like a gravy, a little bit like a gravy. Oh, when I'm talking about thickness. goes in the fridge. We are getting ready to cook our chicken. I am going to mix some coconut oil and some olive oil. Gonna warm this guy up. Our chicken has been in the oven. Why I keep saying in the oven and in the fridge? Our chicken has been in the fridge for about 4 hours, and now we're gonna cook it and we're gonna serve it with rice. Let's this guy a stir. This noise, I don't really like this. You know, there's some kind of all right, enjoy your tomatoes. You know how sometimes there's some noises or smells or words. Well, this one, I'm not a fan of this guy. Let's put this guy in. And the reason why we're cooking like this, first of all, you get to see, you get to have a better vision. I mean, you get to see closer what I'm doing, but also the kitchen is a mess. It's the weekend here. I'm filming on a weekend, and I'm on my pajamas. I don't know if you see pajamas. And now patience and love until the chicken is cooked through and through. It's gonna be a little bit clumpy at the beginning because that's how the flour is getting cooked. But then you'll see it will all make sense. Bear with me. Also, you can do this without flour. I have some basmati rice here, so I'm gonna warm up this guy. At the end, you can add more coconut aminos if you want. You can also add a little bit of broth. And I think I might add a little bit of broth. A 4th cup of broth. Go back on high. Probably the chicken was too cold. See? This is looking good. My rice is ready. And my chicken is ready too. Smells really, really good. This is the final product, guys. It tastes phenomenal. You can add more veggies. You can add another grain. You can mix. You can bake some asparagus. It's a canvas. It's a canvas to build whatever you want. This is a very easy put together meal for a lazy weekend.